there, Stephanie of Stephanie Stitches here. Welcome to my channel where together we sew. If you're brand new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button down below and ring the bell for notifications so you'll know when I post videos like this one or when I go live. And if you're returning, thank you so much for coming back. I love seeing all of you here in your comments down below. So today is Tuesday, and as I promised on Tuesday, I would be giving away the Nothing Sweeter quilt kit from Fort Worth Fabric Studio. So this is their next sew along. So Valentine, of course, sew along begins January 18th. So not tomorrow, but the following Wednesday. So real quick here. So I'm asking if the winner could please contact me as soon as possible with your name and your mailing address so I can get this out to you, and hopefully you can get it in time to start this quilt. As you can see, I have the current quilt blocks on the wall behind me, the Frozen Memories sew along. This was a beautiful sew along. The fabrics were absolutely gorgeous, and you all know that have been here that blue is my favorite color, so this one was right up my alley. And if you haven't been here before, now you know. This one ends Monday the 16th. So we're jumping into the Valentine quilt as soon as this one is over. The fabrics for this one were a little bit delayed, so I think that pushed the schedule for everything a little bit, but we will still complete the Valentine quilt before Valentine's. I believe the last date of sewing is February 6th. We will go back to Monday sews after next Wednesday. That's just to kick us off and get us started on the Valentine quilt so we can finish on time. I think that's all I've got, all the information I need to share. If you are interested in sewing this and you aren't the winner, I wish I had one for everybody, but of course I can't do that. Then click the link in the description box below to go to Fort Worth Fabric Studios site, and I will put the direct link to the kit if you're interested. I will also put a link to the digital pattern section so you can kind of check out, if you're new to Fort Worth Fabric Studio, their sew-alongs and how they work. What they typically do is they give us the PDF each week as we go along. It's a mystery sew along. You can purchase the kit from them, or you can shop your stash, which is so nice of them to allow you to do that option. But the way you can support their shop is by the kit if you are able to. But you can purchase the kit, download the patterns, and sew along with me and the other creators here on YouTube that are doing the sew along. All right, so now what we're here for is the giveaway. So I'm going to use a YouTube random comment picker, and I'm going to pick a name and I'm going to insert it here. Congratulations to the winner! If you're the name that was on the screen, please contact me at stephanies.stitches@yahoo.com. That's my email address. It'll be in the description box below. If anyone contacts you in the comments, if you comment today and says you're the winner, please do not answer them. That is a scam. I'm sorry that I have to say this every single time, but unfortunately, there are bots out there, there are scammers out there that are trying to steal your information, so please do not answer them. The only way to get a giveaway, if I've given one out and your name is called, is to contact me via email with your name and your address, and then I will get that giveaway on its way to you. So like I said, please get a hold of me as soon as possible. I want you to have this before we start the sew along. If I don't hear from you within 48 hours, so today is Tuesday, so if I don't hear from you by Thursday, I'm going to pick another winner because this needs to go home to somebody. I don't want to make two. So if I don't hear from you by Thursday, I'm going to pick another winner. Otherwise, I hope to hear from you soon and get this on the way. And thank you all so much for being here and for watching. And I can't wait to start this next sew along with you guys next Wednesday. All right, guys, see you soon and have a great week. Bye.